Hello! Video of the test of the Lexus RX300 2019 emergency start from the multi-story building with the AMP 7.0 device. This is an AMP 7.0 device for the engine emergency start. The tested car Lexus RX300 2019. Initially, we check an operation of a key of the car, which is located at a distance of about 60 meters from the key. By flashing the tail lights and exterior mirrors, it can be seen that the key buttons work normally at this distance. We put the key on the table. The key is located in the room on the top floor of the multi-story building at a distance of about 6 meters through the wall from the big unit of the device with an external antenna connected to it. Now we approach the car with a small unit of the device and check if the car is closed. We turn on the small unit and immediately open the driver's door. Enter the car and put the switched on small unit next to the central console. Then several times we press the car start button and start the engine. Turn off the small unit. The engine continues to work. The steering wheel and the automatic transmission are unlocked. We stop the engine. Press the car start button. The engine does not start, and on the dashboard there is a message about the absence of a key in the salon. We turn on the small unit, put it again next to the central console, and press the start button. The engine starts. We stop the engine. Get out of the car. And several times deactivate the car central lock. It works fine. We turn off the small unit. The test is successfully completed. Thanks all for watching.